This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ram Almogue. Beautiful 2 bedrooms and amp, 2 full baths split floor plan condo unit in Applewood Village 2. Beautiful lake views, all ceramic tile, upgraded appliances, glass top stove, water/sewer and cable incorporated in MAINT, full-size washer/dryer, large screened-in patio, walk-in closet, eat-in kitchen. No pickup trucks, motorcycle and no pets per condo association. Condo association requires 15% down for conventional loans. No leasing allowed, minimum credit FICO score of 700. Community is part of the Coconut Creek Township and includes the following amenities: heated Olympic-size pool, tennis courts, indoor racquetball courts, 2-story fitness center, billiard room, ping-pong room, library, clubhouse, walking path, theater, card room, dance room, art room, barbecue area, kids play room, beach volleyball court, basketball court. For more information, review the details below.